Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this fall makeup look. It is a very easy look to make. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
Okay, you guys, so first we're gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're gonna be grabbing the burgundy shade and use that pretty much all over my eye. I forgot to put a transition color. I really don't know why, but I make it work, so don't worry. We're just gonna be blending it out with a Morphe blending brush. I'm gonna be writing every brush that I used under the description box. Next, I'm gonna be grabbing this other blending brush, which is a little more smaller, just to blend out my edges and make everything look a little bit more smoother. Now I'm gonna be grabbing this nude shade from the James Charles and blend out everything on the edges. Next, I'll be grabbing a concealer and a flat brush, also from Morphe brushes, and cut my crease. After that, I'm gonna be grabbing another flat brush, and I'm gonna use the Primavera shade from the Modern Renaissance palette and put it all over where I put the concealer. By the way, you guys, I'm only using Morphe brushes, so yeah. I actually got the eye brush, which I'm just gonna link that below because that's literally all the brushes that I've been using, and they are bomb as fuck. Right now, I'm just gonna be defining my crease and now adding a little bit of glitter, which is this is a Revlon glitter. I don't know what shade it is, but I'm just gonna put it on the description box. Next, I'll be using the Saucy lashes from Heidi D and pop those. But before that, I'll be using mascara, which I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. And now I'm just adding foundation, which is the Smashbox Hydration Foundation. I'm just gonna be blending it out while my eyelash dries up. Okay, next I'm just gonna be adding the same concealer that I put on my lids, which is the Master Chrome Maybelline, I'm sorry, is the Maybelline concealer in the shade Light. Next, I'll be using the Airspun powder in the shade Natural and just adding that where I put concealer, pretty much setting my face. Now I'm just finishing up the look with the same smudger brush that I used earlier and putting on the burgundy shade under my waterline, and of course adding mascara. Now I'm just gonna be adding a shimmery shade on the inner corner of my eyes, and this one was called Ringlight, and I got it from the James Charles palette. Now I'm just contouring my face with this. I got it on my Ipsy bag. I don't know what it's called, but I will put it on the description box. But I've been loving this bronzer. And yeah, here I kind of fucked up, but I managed to fix it a little bit. Now I'm just using a blush from Wet n Wild. I don't know what it's called, sisters. I'm just gonna put everything on the description box at this point. Now I'm just setting my face with the rose water from Wet n Wild as well, and adding highlighter, which is a Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.